Simran, what are you doing here?
Stressing.
For what?
Accommodation.
Oh my god, you didn't go to accommodation?
No, I have 2 days before I get kicked out. What am I gonna do, Ganesh? Please make a video.
Okay. I'm going to make a video right now itself. And what this? Hi Simran, what happened? Hello, what happened? Why are you looking so sad?
I am looking for housing.
Oh,
I am getting kicked out very soon.
what happened? Didn't you search information?
I did, but no one has a compilation of all the things I want.
Oh my god. I will definitely make a good video.
Thank you, Yuro Ganesh. You're so amazing.
Comment for this.
Yes! Acting skills. We'll go around like accommodation.
There is no competition for us. There is no competition for us. Please give an accommodation.
No, my round, merry-go-round, my head is turning now. Accommodation is the list of my wishes right now, if it is gonna fulfill.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about accommodation, which is one of the burning topic that everyone should know about it. So, before going to know about everything about accommodation, first let's hit that like and subscribe button, and then we will talk about our video. Before proceeding further, let's talk about what is the first initial step that you must take care of it. Let's start with the first thing first. So you got an admission from the certain universities, and the first thing that you should do is finding an accommodation in the same university. Let's say student dorms. So this is the first thing that you should look for. So every university has their student dormitories that you can apply directly. So first look for the student dormitories in the same university where you got an admission. And the next step, if you are unable to find an accommodation in the same university, then try to look for VG Gesucht. This is an online app that you can download from a Google store. Then you can look for an accommodation. This is really good if you want to find an accommodation privately, if you want to away from the students, and if you want to have some private room or something like that. There are various apps like, let's say, eBay Kleinanzeigen, and as well as Campo is one of the really good website that you can find private rooms for, but a bit expensive when compared with the student dormitories among all. And also there are a lot of student groups around that you can get the accommodation very easily, and also there are a lot of shared apartments where you actually can share your room with other students or anyone who is actually working there or living there. Okay, so these are some basic tips about accommodation. But now I'm going to talk with one of my friends. She was actually searching for accommodation since so long, but finally she got really good accommodation at good price. And I just want her, and I just want you to know from her how she was able to find accommodation very easily and really good price. So this is very important. I contacted with a lot of students that they are able to find the accommodation, but they are fake. A lot of fake accommodations is the thing that's going on. So basically, what the landlords often used to say that, so they will just give you a fake contract, and then they will disappear after you paid for deposit for them. So that's a thing actually. So you need to be very cautious in this. Yeah, let's talk with her. Hello.
Hi.
Now let's talk with my friend. Hi Simran.
Hello, Ganesh.
Hi.
Hello, Yuro Ganesh. How are
Thank you. I'm good. How are you? So, okay. Now, I want to know about your experience with an accommodation. You are searching for the accommodation since so long, right? After you move out from the university dormitories, because for most of the students, university dormitories are only for 2 years. After 2 years, you have to find your own accommodation, even if you extend your masters. So, yeah, that's the case right now. So,
Yeah.
let's talk about it.
So, there are a lot of apps, out of which, as Ganesh said before, VG Gesucht is
Yeah.
a very good app, which is actually used primarily by students. It's found in a lot of major cities. But other than that, there are a lot other apps. Personally, I use Emo Scout. There is one more app where I realize not a lot of students have this information,
Okay.
or like they don't use it enough, or it's more gives a scammy vibe, which is true. But it's still a very good app.
Okay.
Sure. But it's a second-hand store app basically. But there is a lot of housing options there, which are very cheap options, but not very or not at all comfortable, honestly.
Just
I
to
am-
make easy for them, can you just list the websites that you used, and what is the precautions that they should take care before approaching the people or approaching landlords?
Yeah.
Let's say all the
I have a
apps or websites. Oh my God!
I have-
Come on.
yeah. So the list of apps, the ones I use, it's VG Gesucht, Emo Scout 24,
Mhm.
Emo Welt, Kleinanzeigen,
Okay.
Scammy, but good. It's also an app where you can buy a lot of things for second hand.
Okay.
There is Housing Anywhere
Can you show me?
and Window Flats. But there, specific to some cities, there are also websites where students who are subletting or want to sublet their place
Okay.
post sublet ads. Right now, like I can't find a website, but if I do, I will send a link to Ganesh to.
That's it, right?
Yeah, I think
So
for now.
these are all various kinds of apps and websites that you can actually can look for accommodation.
I think for me at least what I did was I specified because every app has this filter options obviously, so you should know what do you want,
Okay.
because there is a thing in Germany where the thing is cold rent and warm rent, which I am sure not a lot of people knew. Even I didn't know until like I started applying and I realized, oh, there is also this situation.
Got it.
So yeah, but
So-
when you are in student dorm, it's all included. Like your warm rent is basically the rent, basic rent plus like your energy. What is it called?
Electricity bills.
Electricity bills, water
gas
bills,
bills.
heater bills. All
Yeah.
of those are included. That's a warm rent. Cold rent is just housing rent, and then you have to give extra month
Yeah,
amount.
additional expenses,
Yeah,
right?
and that is your cold rent. So
So you need then
yeah,
have to be
you-
take care of that actually
yeah,
before
so-
approaching the landlord, right?
yes, so the landlord will like add it on.
They will add up
Yeah.
later on.
So
after
first
that.
things first, when you see an ad,
Mhm.
usually make sure to check the rent. A lot of people put just the cold rent as warm rent as well, and then when you go below and in the property
down.
description,
Yeah.
sorry,
Yeah, that's
there
fine.
you find like a lot more information. So like go through the entire ad. Don't just see the photos and the prices and just message
So-
them. That was the thing I
I think
did
what
at
you meant was
start, I
we
think.
really have to go through all the information that
Yes.
they provided, right? Like the
Mhm.
description. Apart from the
Description.
main thing, like how much is the rent. Apart from that, we have to check what is the
Furnishings,
conditions.
yes. So a lot of times it's a lot of the then don't state that it's a furnished or an unfurnished apartment. First criteria is changing the filter. Usually when you change the filter itself, you get a lot of
Yeah.
furnished, unfurnished things. But even still, some people try to
Okay.
get out of it by putting just this furnished or unfurnished in directly at the property description and
Got it.
never on the actual ad. So that is like kind of an issue. So
Got it.
if you find some place like who has done this, so definitely don't apply, because it's
Yeah.
if they are lying in the description, then
True,
it is
true.
a problem.
And also, I heard that these landlords won't reply to the people if we just message, oh, hi, I'm looking for accommodation. If we just write
Yeah.
general message, I heard like usually they don't reply us, right? Because unless until we specified, we mentioned very clearly, oh, I am so and so, I am studying so and so, I am looking for accommodation. I need this accommodation for a period of this many months. I mean, how did you wrote your message? Like, let's say.
Yeah. So for me, because it also changes with what kind of if you're a student, it's kind of easier
Yeah.
because students get more opportunity. But then you have to specify like which university. I think that gives it them more clarity and
Yeah.
assurance that you're not a fake person, I think.
Yeah.
So in the first message, I had written like, my name is this and I am from this university. I am starting from this time. I need an accommodation from this time, however long I need it, or if possible, then we can extend the contract. And I want like a minimum time contract now as
Minimum.
well,
Okay.
because sometimes they do like a startup period and then you can
So-
change your
Okay.
month to month basis as well.
Okay. It means that you mentioned very clearly that
Yeah.
this is me. I'm studying this course and this place,
Yeah.
and I need this accommodation for this period of time.
More so, not like,
everything. Right?
Yeah, not so course kind
Yeah.
of thing, more like university area
Okay.
pricing. If they can change certain pricing, if they are that flexible, what are
Okay.
their dates, and also if you can come and look at that apartment. Very important thing.
Yeah.
If they say no, you can't before,
Then
it's a problem. But that's an issue because
Suspicious, right?
Yeah,
Little
very
suspicious.
suspicious. Do not.
Yeah.
A
Basically.
lot of times most of the students are not here actually,
Yeah.
so they are coming in.
Okay.
That time I would suggest be in the university groups and post ads that you see and are not sure of.
Ah.
Post those ads in the groups and ask, hey guys, I applied here, but I feel this because this person said this.
Hmm.
Very helpful people in the university are very nice people as well. So
Yeah, I thank you, Simran. Thank you so much for the nice information about the accommodation. So I hope you got really good information. Apart from this, I'm also giving you all the details of the websites and the places you can go and search for the accommodations in the description below. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.
subscribe to Euroganesh.
Thank you. Subscribe. Don't forget, guys. See you. Bye bye.
If I don't look nice and